Aiming to going global, Huanyu strives to become an international enterprise. Orienting itself towards innovation, Huanyu insists on intelligent manufacturing to set an example in the industry. Concentration brings specialization. Specialization brings a leading role. With over 20 years of development, Shandong Zhibo Huanyu Bridge Template Company Limited is a well-known specialized production company regarding high-speed railways, expressways, municipal works, large hydroelectric bridge templates, and steel structure manufacturing. At present, it covers an area of 200 more, possesses assets of RMB 200 million, and has 55,000 square meters of factory buildings. With the annual capacity of over 50,000 tons, it is a leader of the integrated service mode, integrating R&D, design, manufacturing and installation. With its comprehensive strengths ranking among top 3 in China. In 2016, it realized the sales revenue of over RMB 300 million. Huanyu is a top-level manufacturing expert in the industry, owning the Class 1 enterprise qualification. It is a member of the China Formwork Association, a member of the China Construction Metal Structure Association, as well as an advanced unit of the China Formwork industry. The company enjoys a good reputation in the industry with high degrees of intelligence, innovation, and market recognition, as well as a high level of services, and maintains a rapid growth each year in respect of corporate strengths and economic benefits. In 2010, it entered the field of heavy steel and steel bridge structure, realizing industry optimization and upgrade. Intelligent manufacturing is a characteristic of the company. To create a digital factory mode, the company adopts hundreds of sets of advanced equipment, such as full automatic CNC punch processes, automatic laser cutting machines, punching machines, gantry milling machines, and CNC 3D drilling machines, which realize the continuous operation of burdening, assembly, welding, and spraying in the entire production process. Besides, it holds a leading position in the industry at the levels of automation, normalization, and standardization, including full automatic hydraulic remote control box girder formworks, hydraulic U-beam formworks, full automatic hydraulic segmental precast beam formworks, hydraulic jumping formworks, underground utility tunnel formworks, automatic precast pipe culvert formworks, tunnel trolley formworks, movable form bridge fabrication machines, hanging basket formworks, special shaped pier start formworks, single hydraulic track, T-beam formworks, chasm formworks for port lines, steel bridge structures, etc. Huanyu serves a number of top customers in China, include China Railway Construction Corporation, China Railway Engineering Corporation, China Communications Construction, Sino-Hydro Corporation, China State Construction Engineering Corporation, Shandong Luqiao Group, and so on. The hydraulic internal formwork technology with a remote control of 32 meters steel box girder and the utility model patent technology of formworks researched and developed by the company have been listed in the 10 new technologies of the China construction industry. The precast box girder formwork for high-speed railways developed by Huanyu broke the record of the fastest form installation and removal in China. Moreover, it maintains a leading position in terms of such technologies as the lining trolley in highway railway tunnels, the simple hydraulic system the automatic core structure, the dedicated hanging basket formwork of roads and bridges, and the sliding support formwork in the industry. Insisting on high quality, Huanyu devotes itself to products with zero defect and whole production process control, controls each production link and product in accordance with international standard requirements, and seeks increasing perfection so as to ensure that each product is a representative of high quality. The Beijing-Guangzhou high-speed railway with the longest mileage in the world. The Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway with the highest standard in the world. The Harbin-Dalian high-speed railway as the world's first high-speed railway in the high-latitude areas. The Lanzhou-Xinjiang high-speed railway with the longest mileage completed on a one-off basis in the world. The Hainan Western Ring Railway as the world's first trans-island high-speed railway. The Qingdao-Bai Bridge as the world's largest cross-sea bridge, etc. all adopted the products of the company. In addition, hundreds of Chinese major projects, such as the Beijing-Shenyang high-speed railway, the Jinan-Qingdao high-speed railway, the Zhengzhou-Xuzhou high-speed railway, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou high-speed railway, the Incheon-Xi'an high-speed railway, and the Shijiazhuang-Jinan Railway all adopted Huanyu's products. In the world, the triangle hanging baskets and the U-shaped steel box girder formworks, independently designed and manufactured by the company, have been exported to dozens of countries, including Algeria, Nigeria, Pakistan, Mozambique, Qatar, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, etc. Endless ambitions, boundless undertakings. The boom of an industry carries Huanyu's continuous exploration on international development. The leaping development contains Huanyu's effort in the lifelong responsibility system for customer services. With complete sincerity, Huanyu is committed to becoming a specialized steel formwork provider and has a dream of establishing a modern, high-tech production base of bridge templates in China. The goal of Huanyu template is moving towards the international areas based on the domestic areas and creating the #1 brand of China's steel formwork manufacturing industry. We pursue excellence to enable the world to love Huanyu's products.